All right, what's up, guys? So, lots of stuff coming in the near future. All right, I'm going down in 2 weeks to Florida to film crazy car stuff. Those of you that think this channel just got away from car stuff and it's all monsters and horror and monster masks, no, it's gonna be both. And then other stuff coming. So, it's gonna be flipping back and forth. There's gonna be a few of these, few of those. If you don't like it, you know where the door is. But anyway, crazy car stuff coming. And I'm going down to stay at my friend's house. He just bought it for like $22 million. And he's got some insane cars. So there's great content coming. Out of this world cars that I never thought I'd get to drive. One of them's like $1 million. So just keep in mind there's good car stuff coming. Anyway, on to this video. Just a cool place that I know of that my friend owns. And they will not restore, but they will do paint correction, and they will do high-end detailing on your muscle car right in the Northwest Indiana area, Chesterton, Indiana. It's called Attention to Details. If you've been following my channel, you've seen this place pop up many times. Anyway, if you want a real place that will handle your car like a baby with gloves, take it to Bryan. Don't be afraid. You know, if your baby is your muscle car and you don't want to leave it anywhere, just trust me, you won't go wrong. So anyway, I'm gonna shut up, onto the video. The guys in Chesterton at Attention to Details not only buff out and detail, you know, European cars, work on high-end sports cars, they will detail your high-end muscle car. Oh yeah,
the color's so cool.
It's a cool green.
So cool.
A lot different than Sublime Green, which is like a bright, this is like a really like richer version of it,
yeah,
you know?
It looks like it.
Yeah, yep. The 69 Hemi Charger RT has been here getting its final polish and detail. You know, Joe restored the car, finished it beautifully, but it's so dusty over there. You know, the car got wiped down a few times. It needs the final polish done in a clean room like this. So Bryan has been all over this thing, and I'm gonna turn the camera around and take some nice footage of it, but this car is just gorgeous. It's gonna be a showstopper, and we are hoping to have the car at the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals this November in Chicago. Look at that. 426 Hemi 4-speed, triple black. Okay, Bryan has been doing the final polish on this car. There's still some compound. So this quarter isn't done yet, okay? You can see where there's some compound going on here and buffing. So this isn't done yet. However, this section is polished and it's looking Beautiful. Beautiful. Hi, Joe.
What's up?
Steve.
Check that thunder out, man.
I know, dude. Steve's gonna be freaking. Oh my god. Oh man.
Look at that.
Man.
There ain't nothing.
Not a freaking swirl for miles, dude. Yeah.
It's like
It needs.
perfect.
It needed that specialty polish, you know. That just can't. You can't just achieve it with the regular buffing wheels. You need special stuff, special materials, special compounds. And Bryan does a killer job here, man. So the guys came and did a whole final polish on this car. They're gonna do the AAR next over there, the Cuda. But this thing looks immaculate. It was just restored, but my buddy that restored it painted it maybe 3.5 years ago. So the car sat all that time. It was in his shop getting the restoration done. You know, he did a complete restoration all by himself on his car. But things get touched and wiped down, and you know, parts get put on. There was swirls in the paint and stuff just from wiping it down in the shop. But now we came here to get the final polish, and it looks incredible. What a badass car, man. The only thing it's missing are its dog dish hubcaps that are coming. And this thing is complete. Man. Real deal Hemi car. Boy, oh boy. That paint, you can just see right in there, Bryan.
Yeah, it looks really good, man.
Looks
Thank
good.
you very much.
Yeah. Trying to explain to everybody, you don't just work on European cars here. You'll do, you know, old school muscle all day long.
We do everything.
And a lot of you guys have muscle cars. Your car is your baby. You're nervous to bring it somewhere. Don't be nervous to bring it here to Bryan. He knows how to take care of your car. Fully insured to the max here, no worries. It'll be in good hands and it'll be done right. Excellent job.
Fingerprints.
Yeah, see?
Yeah.
Wait, it matches.
That's my,
it matches.
No, that's the size of my daughter's, not me. Look at that.
Little.
Yeah.
Damn it.
Guilty, but yeah. So, well, we got the car to the shop here. Like I was saying, since this thing's gonna be at Carlisle, we're gonna detail the hell out of it. Not that it's even driven anywhere, but just sitting in my garage. I had it covered this whole time, but I left it uncovered for 2 months and it's just caked with dust. As soon as you go to wipe that, it just scratches. Scratches. You definitely gotta foam this car and wash it off or something. But anyway, they're gonna give this car a polish, you know, and make it look perfect. We got the other Cuda they're working on.
Yeah.
It's a beast, dude.
It's a monster, huh? It's a big old motor.
She growls.
There's dual quads under there. From, you know, that was factory on a 426 Hemi.
So is that an MSD ignition?
Dual fours, yeah, that was added. They didn't have, they didn't have that. But
No,
that's kind of a necessity.
It is a badass touch.
Gotta have that on this thing. I want
Big
to
boy.
Start all the time.
Yeah.
You know.
What I saw you really peek underneath the hole. I know we're gonna.
Look underneath that thing. Alright guys, like I was saying, if you want your muscle car detailed or you want the paint brought back from back in the day, you want to look new again, call Brian. He'll prep your car for a big show. He'll take care of the undercarriage, under the hood, dress the tires, do the interior, but really paying attention to everything and not just doing some $99 once-over buff job. Call Brian, tell him Rudy sent you. Attention to details in Chesterton, Indiana, 419 Council Road in Chesterton. Their number's 219-628-0288. You can find them on Facebook and on Google.